Hi everyone. Okay, I'm gonna give another cheat day to myself. So I actually have for day 27, today I have a little prompt I did for VCP Poets, which is a SoCal poetry group. It's a quick 1 minute prompt, but it is a visual poem and it's really fun. So just get I'll put it in the link below if you want to see that video, but basically just get a piece of paper that is unlined and a marker. So if you want to get colors, you can get fun with it. Get your piece of paper and then look around the room. Oh no, so first, write or draw a symbol for your energy state right now. Like for me, if I were to do it, my energy state is very low, which is why I am late and doing a cheat day on this video. But wherever you're at today, draw a symbol for your energy state. And then next, draw, look around the room, find maybe 5 or so objects, and then draw the energy state that they have. Okay. And then next, once you have your symbols drawn, for each one of those symbols, write the sound. So either the sound that they would make, that their energy would make, um, or a greeting you would like to give to that symbol. So it could be and or, it could be both. And then 2 final steps, write somewhere on your page. So you can like move your page around, you can make it diagonal, get creative with it. Write a brief description for this language that you just drew, however you want to interpret that. And then finally, somewhere else on your paper, so imagine it's sort of like marketing copy, like a description, like you're selling this language to someone if you want. And then somewhere else on your page, think about writing a disclaimer. It's like a disclaimer to your language, your symbolic language you just created. So that's going to be my quick little visual poetry prompt for you today. If you haven't written a poem yet and you're still tuning in, that could take 5 7 minutes. So have fun with that, and I'll see you again for our last few days tomorrow.